Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to practice some section or sequence of your form. Maybe that final section, or maybe that kicking sequence. Maybe Pengrujian, the sort of the old standby, but practice it in reverse order. So ZYX or CBA rather than ABC XYZ. Um, And that's often difficult enough for people just to go in reverse. Certainly, you can do this as the whole form. I like to practice it that way in reverse, not because it's the way it's meant to be done, of course, but just to challenge myself and my consciousness and perhaps my coordination and memory. And so the idea with this is that when we're going backwards, we're likely to kind of fail at some of our Tai Chi Chuan principles, maybe wholly, maybe partly. And what I would say is that when I get to a point that I'm considering a failure in my practice, like, I kind of dropped the ball on that principle, or I kept the principle, but not as well as I normally can, then I'm going to start over. And I'm going to just kind of work that section until I feel like I can access and present and express the principles as well as I ordinarily can in my form when I'm doing the form or some section of the form in reverse. And then I just kind of work through the form that way. And what I would normally do is just kind of pick a principle or a couple principles to work on as I do this, rather than trying to have the whole basket of principles, perfectly accessed and expressed when I'm doing the form in such a challenging way. So uh, I look forward to that. And when's the last time that you read the Tai Chi Chuan classics? Get after it. Thank you.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.